we'll go over some tips and tricks for bikes equipped with conversion kit below. These pointers can help you improve your electric bike's range, braking, and handling, and overall riding experience. Battery preservation. You should avoid storing the battery of your e-bike at high temperatures. Extremely hot and cold conditions have various effects on your battery. Generally, extreme heat and high temperatures might cause the battery to overheat, causing burns or damage to your electric bike. Consequently, cold weather and sub-zero temperatures can reduce speed and range. As a result, you'll need to charge your battery more frequently during the winter, or when the temperature is colder. Another great tip is to avoid leaving your battery charged or entirely depleted for extended periods. Keeping your battery charged during regular use, and at 60% capacity during long-term storage is always good. Lastly, while some chargers appear to work with various batteries, you should only use the charger designed specifically for yours, because batteries don't always charge the same way. Using the wrong charger could damage your battery. Cleaning. You must avoid getting the electrical components wet. The most important thing to remember is to remove the battery and display before cleaning. Prevent water from touching the battery holder and any exposed connections. Clean the battery with a damp cloth and a dry brush to remove any dirt from the connections. You can also clean and lubricate the battery connectors as well. Just remember to fully dry the bike and other components before replacing the battery and display. Motor maintenance. Because motors are sealed, there is nothing you can or should do to keep them in good working order. Keep an eye out for any wear, tear, or damage to the casing. Also, be extra careful when cleaning your e-bike to avoid getting water into the motor unit.